So the cost of a Gunite pool is usually going to come in, I would say, and this is with your standard plaster, probably about 20% more or 25% more than a fiberglass pool. If you go with the Pebble technology, which again, that product's going to be a lot more. It also lasts a lot longer. It's going to be 20-year versus 7-year. You're probably going to be in that 40% more than a fiberglass pool. But I would say overall, you're in that 150 to 250 range, getting a Gunite pool installed. So maintenance on a Gunite pool is going to be, you're going to want to make sure that you watch your harsh water levels, your chemistry in the water. It really can affect if you don't do Pebble Tech and you just do a standard plaster. That plaster is usually rated for between 7 and 10 years. And I would say more on the 7-year side than the 10 with what I've seen. But what can really get to it is UV rays. If you've got it cover in the summertime, if you can shut it, it helps it. You really want to watch your water chemistry, make sure it's not getting out of balance too bad. I've seen on a natural standard plaster that does, it can change the color of your pool. It can eat away at the actual plaster itself. I've seen that happen. And that's one of the reasons why we're trying to push the Pebble technology. Plaster is that is a 20-year product versus your standard plaster being 7 to 10 years with closer to 7 years in our experience.